Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and geometry. The topic that is about the cross product and dot product. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to simplify about this one. The first thing we can do about factorization like this. So we can put like this. Because this one multiplied by this one and they return back to this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we have sine alpha. That is about this one over the absolute value of 8. That's about the magnitude of vector A multiplied by the magnitude of vector B. And the second one, that is about cosine alpha. That is about the dot product between vector 8 and vector B over the magnitude of vector 8 and B. So this one we change by sine alpha because we still have the power number 2. So we have sine alpha square. And the second one we have cosine alpha square. So we know that this one equals to number 1. 1 minus 1, you got number 0. And we have number 0. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.